So big zucchini. Here are the ingredients: zucchini, beef steak, onions, bell pepper. Tell me what I'm going to put. To put onions and bell pepper and then add zucchini. Olive oil. I didn't show you guys, but I added teriyaki sauce, ground black pepper, and soy sauce, plus the beef powder. Now I added the beef steak I already seared. Since our ingredients are soft, this will cook faster. Luto na guys. Serve na natin. Kain na tayo. I didn't add water because the juice from the vegetable made this soup tasty. Zucchini, more beef. Sarap. Kain tayo. First bite is for you guys. Kain na tayo.